Good morning to everyone. Once again, welcome to Geography Revision class. Today, 16 Jan 2021. Here we are going to revise the following points of the chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, latitudes and longitudes. In these points, we are going to see the question answers from this chapter, plus already we had revised this chapter. So question number 1 for you is here. Before going to question number 1, the name of the chapter already I told you, globe, latitudes and longitude. Topic is revision. In this revision we will see the exercise part once again. This revision series I am making only for the student for preparation of annual examination, plus if they are missed out to write down the question answers, so from this video they can write the question as well as the correct answer in their own words by taking the reference answer from my videos, and they can write it. Question number 1. The answer for the question number 1 is here. By seeing the answer, you are understanding the question. Question number 1. What is the true shape of the earth? So, dear cadets, here the question is speaking to you, what is the true shape of the earth? And the answer is speaking to you, the earth true shape is a sphere flattened at the poles. Such shape is called as geoid. Already in our explanatory class, in that I explained very well to you what is the true shape of the earth. In that we have taken the example of globe also. The globe, which is called as the miniature form of the earth or a true model of the earth, is called as the globe. So in this answer, this question can be asked to you for 1 marks, for 2 marks, or it may be asked in the form of take the correct answer, that means in the MCQ format. Moving toward the second question. So second question is, what is a globe? In our previous question only, I explained you the answer of the question, what is a globe? I had shown you in the photograph also what is globe. You had seen in the school also, colleges also, in any areas the globes are placed. So the answer, let's check out. Answer is, a globe is an exact miniature model of the earth. It shows the earth in its actual shape, with all continents, oceans, etc., marked at their proper places. So globe is an exact miniature model of the earth, or you can speak out, globe is a model of earth, right, which showing the earth's correct shape. On that, the continent, oceans are marked at their proper places. So you can frame your own answer also. This is the revision part. Again, I am telling to you, those cadets who has written already this question answer, this is only the revision part. You have to go through it, and this is the revising of all the question and answer. If still you feel any doubt and difficulty, you can let me know. We are happy to clarify it. Question number 3. What is the latitudinal value of Tropic of Cancer? So already I told you to draw the diagram. Already I stated this answer to you. Let's again recapitulate this answer once again. Let's see the answer. The latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. So the correct answer is displayed in this slide for you. So you can understand the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer. And by this latitudinal value only you can understand that the Tropic of Cancer is latitude. Okay, and its value is 23.5 degree north. The question can be changed. What is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? It is there, so we can place Tropic of Capricorn. So at that time you should not be confused. I can change the question. So this part will be the same. What is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of, but here it is going to be Capricorn. Then your answer is going to be changed. It is going to be 23.5 degree south. Okay. So like that the question may be changed for the annual examination and it can be asked in a different way. Moving to the fourth question. Here the question number 4 is speaking, what are the 3 heat zones of Earth? There are 3 heat zones of the Earth, and what are they? We have to mention the name of the 3 heat zones in this question. Let's check out the answer. So the 3 heat zones of the Earth are first, torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. This question can be asked in the examination for 3 marks, as well as this question can be asked in examination for 5 marks. What are the 3 heat zones of the Earth, and explain in detail. So that question will become for 5 marks. If the question is simply asking what are the 3 heat zones of the Earth, so you have to write only the name of the 3 heat zone and you have to get the 3 marks. Next, question number 5. What are parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude? The question is speaking about the definition of latitudes and longitude. Let's see the answer. The concept of latitude and longitudes already I had explained you very clearly in the explanatory videos, right? This is the revision points. Again we are revising it. So parallels of latitude. All of the imaginary circles parallel to equator are called parallels of latitudes. Clear to you? The parallels of latitude. All the imaginary circles which are parallel to equator are called as the parallels of latitude. Now meridians of longitudes. All the imaginary circles perpendicular to the equator, they are perpendicular to the equator, they are called as meridians of longitudes. So the answer you can write as a definition of also what is latitude and what are longitude. The question may be changed. Differentiate between longitude and latitude. What are latitudes and longitudes? It can be asked like this also. Moving toward the next question. Question number 6. Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? So here we are going to see why the torrid zone is receiving the maximum amount of heat. The diagram already I explained you. Here how to write the good answer we are going to see. Let's check out the answer. The midday sun directly faces the area between the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. So the heat received is maximum at these latitudes. These latitudes falls under the torrid zone. So the torrid zone is clear to you. It's from the Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. And here the sun is facing directly at the mid time. That's why this torrid zone receives maximum amount of heat. You can frame the answer by your own also, or you can revise this answer by reading the textbook diagram very clearly, which make you crystal clear why torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat. This question can be asked in the examination for 3 marks as well as for 5 marks. Why does torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? Explain it with diagram. When it is going to be asked in the form of this question, you have to little bit make the diagram of the earth and the torrid zone and the sun rays, and why the torrid zone is receiving maximum amount of heat. Explain in beautiful sentence. Next, question number 7. It's a very important question, and already we have seen in the PPT presentation as well as in the question answer. Why is it 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London? What is the time lag and why it is so, we are going to see. Why all and every area in this world don't have the same time? So let's check out the answer. This answer is very clear to you. Please see the answer properly. If you are failing to write down the answer, please do it. India and United Kingdom lies on different longitudes. So each degree of the longitudes correspond to a difference of 4 minutes. This is because the earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. So 1 degree is equal to 1 degree in 4 minutes. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minutes east, and that of London is 0 degree. This means a difference of 4 minutes, that is going to be multiplied by 82.5 is equals to 330 minutes is equals to 5.5 hours. So when it is going to be 12 noon in London, that is 5.30 is going to be added. That means 5:30 p.m. will be in India. Next, question number 2. Tick the correct answer. Most of the time, the students are writing the incorrect answer in the MCQs or in the tick the correct answer. First, please see the value of the prime meridian is. So prime meridian is having the value which it's 90 or 0 or is 60. Let's check out the answer. So it is 0 degree, as we had already seen in the previous slide. Now moving towards the next correct answer. The frigid zone lies near. So the freezing zone is lying where? The poles, the equator, or the Tropic of the Cancer. So the correct answer is the poles. And the reason why? Because the poles, the sun rays are reaching there very late. So the poles is the correct answer. Next, see the total number of the longitudes are. Children get confused by this MCQs, whether they are 180, whether they are 360, whether they are 90 or not. Let's check out the answer. They are 360. Next, D. The Antarctica circle is located in. So Antarctica and Arctic, 2 circles are there. So where is Antarctica? It is in north, south or east. So you have to find out the correct answer from the northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere or eastern hemisphere. So the correct answer will be, let's check out. So the second one is the correct one. Southern hemisphere is the correct. If you are feeling any doubt and difficulty, please refer the globe or atlas. You will get crystal clear answer by seeing it. Next, E. Grid is a network of. So grid is a network of first parallels of latitudes and meridian of longitudes. Second, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Third, the North Pole and the South Pole. So the first one is the correct answer. Let's check out the answer. Parallels of latitudes and longitudes. The lines on the globe making the grid moving vertically and horizontally. Next, moving towards the next question. Here we are going to see the fill in the blanks. There are fill in the blanks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. Most of the time the students are doing or committing the mistakes in writing fill in the blanks. They are only writing the answer. They are not copying the sentence which are given in the question paper. So it's a very bad manners. Already number of the time I explained to you to write the correct answer by writing the fill in the blanks. The question is fill in the blanks. So wherever the blank is there, you have to fill up. No need to write the answer only. Just the Tropic of Capricorn is located at. So you are writing the answer only, not writing the question. The standard meridian of India is dash. So you are writing only dash. Don't do like this. So these are the answers and question how to write and how to get good marks. Your answer, you are simply writing meridian, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, not writing the sentences is an incorrect way to write the fill in the blanks. So the correct answers are here. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at dash. Which one are the bold one? They are the answers. Okay? I am reading for you and explaining you once again. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23.5 degrees south. And how it's going to be appear in the examination in the form of MCQ, in the form of 1 marks question, I explained you. Where we were discussing about the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer. In that question I explained. Next, the standard meridian of India is 82.5 degree east, which is passing through Mirzapur, that is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Next, the 0 degree meridian is also known as prime meridian. Okay. D, the distance between the longitude decrease towards the. So dash is there. So the correct answer is poles. Last, the Arctic Circle is located in the dash hemisphere. As we have seen in the tick the correct answer, the Antarctica Circle is located in southern hemisphere. So it is going to be northern hemisphere. But the fill in the blanks may be changed. The Antarctica Circle is located in the dash hemisphere, and you are memorizing the answer northern, and without seeing you are writing the answer northern. So it is going to be incorrect and you are going to lose 1 marks. So dear children, please read the question properly, because number of the time I am seeing the answers, the children are writing the incorrect answer. They are just mucking up and they are writing the answer. So fill in the blanks here over A, B, C, D and E. The correct answer for first is 23.5 degrees south, B 82.5 degree east, C prime meridian, D poles and E northern hemisphere. So here we have finished the fill in the blanks also. I request you all to please do the revision part very properly. Every videos we are going to see the new chapters and we are going to do the revision part in an effective way. Lastly, I want to thank to each and everyone for watching the videos. Please do the homework in the notebook properly. Revise it. If you still feel any doubt and difficulty, ask to me. Till then, be safe and secure at your home. Jai Hind to one and all.